In this video, I'll show you how to fix SIM card no service issue on Motorola Moto phone. In order to fix no service or no SIM card issue on Motorola Moto phone, you could try these steps. Sometimes you could go with the basic steps. A simple restart or reboot can resolve the temporary glitch. Hold on to your side buttons and you could go ahead and click on the restart button and see that fixes your issue or not. Likewise, what you could also do is ensure the SIM card is properly inserted and not damaged while removing or reinserting it. So what you want to do is you could actually find the SIM tray at the side of your phone or at the bottom. You actually want to locate it and use the paperclip or a small icon or an object in order to pierce it in, and that is going to let out the SIM tray, and check whether you've inserted the SIM in a correct position or not. Likewise, sometimes you might have mistakenly broken it out. You also want to check that out and see whether there is any sort of damage to your SIM card or a SIM tray that could be able to be an issue. So you actually want to do it. So if none of these seems to be the problem, then you also want to make sure to reset the network. What you want to do is open up your settings, and here you actually want to go ahead and scroll down, go to system, scroll down to the bottom, go to reset option, and here you have this reset mobile network settings. You actually want to go ahead and click on the reset option, and that is going to help you out. If it's not the case, then you also want to enable automatic network selection. In order to do it, so you want to go back, go to network and internet, and here you want to go to mobile network. And what next you want to do is make sure or enable automatic data switching, and that should be able to help. If that's not the case, you could also go ahead and choose the preferred network type. Like in the same settings, you could select 5G as the preferred network type, and that could be able to help. If the issue still persists on, you actually want to check for a software update or contact your carrier, and they will be able to help you out as well. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.